Photo frame. Craft. Things required: thermocol plate, cardboard, poster color blue, paint brush, scissors, Fevicol, pencil, small bowl, cup or any round-mouthed object, small buttons or sequins, photo. Follow these steps. Step 1. Draw a flower on the back of the thermocol plate. Step 2. Draw a circle at the middle of the plate using a small bowl. Step 3. Cut out the flower and the inner circle as shown. Step 4. Color the flower with blue poster color as shown. Step 5. Paste buttons or sequins. Step 6. Now cut a round circle from cardboard. Step 7. Paste your photo on the cardboard. Step 8. Paste the cardboard on the back of the flower as shown.